Hi, I am Arvind Balaji. This is CEREBRO, my multi-agent AI research assistant for Info 7375 Building Agentic Systems assignment. It is built on a hybrid CrewAI plus n8n architecture with three specialized agents and a custom tool called CereBro that searches 16 academic databases simultaneously. Let me show you how it works. Here is the project structure. Under the source, we have our three agents: the coordinator, the search agent, and the synthesis agent. The tools folder has cerebro.py, our 940 line custom tool. We also have n8n integrations, tests, and documents. Let me just open crew.py under source and show you. So this is crew.py. Yes. This is the sequential pipeline and the context wiring. In crew.py, we just now saw the sequential pipeline, the plan, then search, then synthesize with explicit context passing between tasks. Now let me show you cerebro.py. So this is cerebro.py here in tools. So here this is the Cerebro, the universal academic paper search engine, which is a custom tool. And I named it after Professor X's device from the X-Men. It has 940 lines that queries 16 databases in parallel. And these are the supported databases. These are the constant. This is the input schema. This is the main tool class. This is the paper constructor, and these acts for each source. And this is the relevance scoring. It deduplicates results using DOI matching and fuzzy title normalization, then computes a unified relevance score from 0 to 100 based on keyword overlap, recency, citation impact, venue quality, and category alignment. Now let me show you the user interface. For running the user interface, I have been using Claude Code from the terminal and it is active right now. So I directly go to the UI where the Anthropic API key and the Serper dev key are confirmed, and it shows the sources and architecture. It's just for UI purpose. And let me enter the research topic, and it says the databases, agents, number of agents, tools, and publishers covered, and it says how it works. You can read through. Okay, let me run the search. So this is a success stage where it says activated and it is researching and it is planning the research strategy. Now the search specialist has completed running. It is using Serper dev for web search, then CEREBRO kicks in and queries the academic databases. Now we can see the agent activity log here. It used CrewAI and it gave an ID. Task has been started and research coordinator agent is being used. Search memory has been updated. It is using different agents and tools, and it logs every one of them here. And it gives the time in which the research was completed, and this time varies depending on the research topic. The more time it takes to gather more resources. I have had certain topics getting completed between 30 seconds to 300 seconds, and this one, being an extensive topic, it has taken 599 seconds. And this is the research report. It gives the executive summary, it gives key findings, and it separates them with different themes. And for every theme, it gives this reference source as well. And it says research complete, and we can download the markdown report as well. And these are the academic sources that were queried by the CEREBRO. And it has also captured these sources indirectly. Now let me show you n8n workflow and tests. So let me open the n8n folder, workflow.json. So this is workflow.json. This system also supports n8n workflow orchestration. It has 5 nodes, namely Webhook trigger, input validation, CrewAI execution with a 5-minute timeout, output formatting, and response delivery. This lets you trigger research from Slack, cron jobs, or any HTTP client. Next, I'll show you the test folder. So here's the test. I'll open test cerebro.py. We have 27 tests in total, 13 unit tests for CEREBRO and 9 integration tests for the CrewAI, and 5 end-to-end scenarios, and all are passing, which I have recorded in the technical report and readme. This is for cerebro.py. You can see how we have written. Now let me show you the test.crew.py. You can see here. To summarize, 3 agents with a controller specialist architecture, 4 tools including CEREBRO, a 940 line custom academic search engine covering 16 databases, a hybrid CrewAI plus n8n architecture, 27 passing tests, and a Streamlit web UI. The system generates research grade reports in 3 to 5 minutes with both web and peer reviewed academic sources. And here is the technical report with the table of contents, and this is the system architecture. This is the rubric compliance matrix. Here are the agent roles and responsibilities. This says about the custom tools and databases we use, and this is how we do a relevance scoring. This is about orchestration and memory management, the n8n integration layer. And here we represent the challenges we faced and how we arrived at the solutions. This is the performance baselines and limitations. And this is the evaluation report, how we pass the test cases. Here is the agent behavioral analysis. This is how reinforcement learning integration was done. And we conclude with the references. Thank you so much for watching.